To import products from dropshipperUS.com using Importify, first visit the dropshipperUS website. Find the product you want to sell. Visit the product page URL. Refresh the page and click the red Add button. The Importify editor will open up for you. You can change the title, description, the price. You can link it to specific collection and click the Add product. And use one of the three options to check your new listing. If you are subscribed to the Importify Gold plan, you have the ability to use the semi-automatic fulfillment with dropshipperUS.com. Once you get a new order, go to the Importify dashboard and click the order list from the side menu. On this page, you will find unfulfilled orders. Pick one of these orders to fulfill and click the order button. Importify will automatically add this product to the cart. Click the checkout button and the autofill order button to pre-populate the customer address. Double-check the order details and proceed with the payment process. Thank you for choosing Importify. We wish you success.